in. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Deja D, and today by the title of this video you already know what's about to go down. We're going to be doing one item, 4 outfits. So without further ado, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the comment section let me know what you want to see next. All right, enough talking. There's a lot of noise going on in the background, so let's just go ahead, get quiet, and get into this lookbook. Okay guys, so we're starting off. We're going to be using this red sweatshirt that I got, and then I just paired it right now, like to start off the video, with these gray sweatpants. Of course, you know, we got to do a little dance. Oh yeah, TikTok. Okay, so yes, let's go ahead, and we're about to go ahead and just start these pieces. For the first look, I went ahead and I'm going to be pairing it with my everyday bag, my black and gold Coach bag. I need a new everyday bag with some silver. But I also paired it with these layered necklaces that I got off of, ooh, where did I get these? I'll find it below. I'll tag it below. And then I got those leather pants that I got off Amazon. Now y'all, before y'all say something, I don't wear regular leggings. That's why I like these leather leggings. And then that's why you've seen it a lot. And then I got these cheetah print heels. If you're going to ask where I got them from, they were gifted to me by my grandma. Shout out to you. Love you, grandma. But yeah, they were gifted to me. So let's go ahead and try this look on. Okay, let's go. So boom, this is what we got. We're working with for outfit number 1. But like I was saying with the leggings, I don't wear regular leggings. I don't personally care for them too much. I like something a little more dressy. So I thought this outfit would be super cute. You know, you could wear this, dress it up a little bit, little party, want to go to the movies, want to go to dinner, you know, something real cute. And you could also pair this with a bunch of other different shoes if you don't want to really wear the heel. But I thought the heel added a pop, like a statement, really made it vavoom. So yeah, I hope you all like this look, and let me know in the comment section below what look is your favorite. Oh, and another thing I wanted to say, if you're like wondering like about my hair, my sister did it. I'll leave her Instagram page below as well. It's Hair by Ayana. I'm always tagging her. If you all follow me on my main Instagram, she's always hooking my braids up. But yep, this is look number 1. Okay guys, I figured out where the necklaces are from. They're from Lovely Wholesale. I'm going to be doing a whole review on them, so just stay tuned for that. And I wanted to show y'all because I really like cheetah print. My wallet's cheetah print, and yeah, I just want to show y'all, like, yeah, period. So yeah, I just want to show y'all that because I was pressed and my wallet was cheetah print too. And yeah, I also remember where I got the necklace from. It was from Lovely Wholesale. I actually need to film that video this week, so I'll film that this week. It'll be out next, I'll film that, you know, sometime this week, and it'll be out next week for you all, like maybe Wednesday, maybe before that, maybe after that. Don't hold me to it, but you would definitely get that video sometime next week. So yeah, those are my dance moves. Yes, your girl is popping, feeling his hair. All right, I'm done talking into outfit number 2, I swear.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to.
Back again. So you know that was corny. But for outfit number 2, I'm just going to be taking these graphic socks that I got from Shein. Going to be wearing those same jewelry, the same little necklaces, because you know I wanted to keep it on. I got these Jordan ones that I grabbed from my sister's closet. Hello, what? And then I'm going to just be wearing these biker shorts from Rainbow. I already put them on because, you know, they're doing construction in my house and I need to hurry up and put them on. So this is what the first outfit is looking like, y'all. This light exposure was killing me, so I had to go, you know, fix the camera. Shout out to Buddy, he is here. So yeah, this is outfit number 2. I thought this would be super cute. It's super casual, but yet like you still got some flavor, like you got some juice, some sauce, some drip. So I definitely like this. You compare this with, you know, of course, other colored biker shorts, but I thought the black was super cute. It went and tied in with the shoes, and then I love that the shoes are like other colors into it. And then you could wear like regular white socks, which is probably what I would have. I could have went with these butterfly socks or the white ones. It didn't really make a difference. I just grabbed these butterfly ones because these are mine, and the white ones would have been somebody else's in my house. So yeah, I do like the butterfly socks, but if you want to pair it with some white socks, be my guest. Deuces, peace sign. You know, everybody put the peace signs up when they take pictures. I was trying to act like it was a boomerang. Oh, stop. Thumbnail. Okay, so for outfit number 3, since I did not stop talking, this outfit is super cute. I have this long scrunchy, wait, is that scrunchy or ruching? This long ruching skirt that I got from Rainbow. Then I got this oversized denim jacket that I thrifted. It was like $8, y'all. What a steal. Okay, all right. And then I have this snakeskin purse. It is clear, so you know whatever you put in there is going to be seen through. Got that from Amazon. What a good price. And I got these boots that I got from Rainbow. Love these boots. They're super comfortable, and I don't really like wearing heels, but these are super comfortable. And then lastly, I'm going to be switching my necklace to this silver Deja necklace that I got from my local jeweler as a gift. So yeah. All right, this is my next outfit. It's super stylish, super cute. Definitely like this. I did tuck the sweatshirt in, so it did kind of have some bulging in the front. That's just because I was rushing, but please smooth that out if you're going to be wearing it. Don't look too hard. She's still cute. And yeah, this skirt, it did ride up a little bit. I pulled it down. It's all good to normal. So you could scrunch it up, make it short, but I prefer to wear it down. It looks cuter with the boots like that. This is so cute. Like if you kind of want to dress it up, be a little extra on campus, you know what I'm saying? So definitely like that.
I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to.
So for my 4th and final outfit, I'm taking these boots that I got from Forever 21. I love these boots. They're so cute to me. So I got those boots that I got from Forever 21. I got this black tote bag. This is a 9 West bag. I just got this from like Marshalls or something. And I also got this like black corset belt thing from Shein. Honestly, I didn't wear this belt the whole time because I didn't really like how it looked. It was one of those things like, okay, well, first let me tell you about these jeans. So these jeans I got from Rainbow. Of course, you all seen that in my Rainbow haul. I'm going to go ahead and change that on. While I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you a little bit. So this belt, it's cute, but personally, it was one of those things that you ever lay out an outfit or you think about it in your head and you try it on and it's like, what the hell was that? Yeah, so this was that. I ended up taking it off, as you're all about to see in the next clip, but it was cute. I wanted to show you. So it's like, you know, up to you. I would wear it with the belt. It just wasn't like 100% how I expected it to look. So as you all see, this is what it looks like with the belt. You know, if you want to wear it like that look, it's not ugly. It's just not how I kind of pictured it being. But this is it with the belt. You know, you could kind of like scrunch it up or whatever, do whatever you're gonna do. But if you do want to take off the belt, I do kind of think this is a little, you know, I wouldn't say more basic, but it's just more practical. So if you wanted to add some flavor, you could use the little corset belt, or you could just kind of wear it like this and tuck the front part of the sweatshirt in and, you know, kind of wear it like that. This is probably a little bit more how I would regularly wear it. If I want to step out my comfort zone, then I'll put the belt on. So yeah, I just have on this for the last outfit. So I thank you all for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. In the comment section, let me know what you all want to see next. And I love you all. Tell me what outfit is your favorite. Bye bye.